Morning, guys. It is Black Friday. Black Friday is here. So let me know in the comments what you're buying today. I'm just going to the mall to check out some hiking boots I've been eyeing for a while. I checked online and they're just still expensive. I don't know. I might buy them, might not. I'll see. I'm going to Watercrest Mall. Also want to check out the vibe. I haven't been in a mall on a Black Friday in a while. Always trying to avoid malls. Just want to check out the vibe this side if people are into this. Also want to check out the sculpture garden. And also get coffee and do a bit of work from there. Yeah, that's my day today. Easy Friday. Easy Friday. Yep, it looks like it's busy today. I was here 2 days ago and I didn't see so many cars. So it looks like people are definitely playing Black Friday. Because it's a game, right? So people are playing Black Friday. Even the parking is full. Alright, let me just find parking. I don't want to get too close to the entrance. I don't know, it feels empty. It's not that packed. Maybe people are inside shops. There's my shop, Cape Union Mart. Alright, I'm done. I went to Cape Union Mart and they only had K-Way on sale. And yeah, I'm just looking for something else, not K-Way. So it looks like I'll have to pay full price. Yeah. So now I'm going to the garden. Yeah, let's go. This entrance is tight. Tight. Definitely looks like the right place. Damn. Everything is just tight here. This car keeps beeping. Beep, boop, boom, 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 boom. Alright. Looks like I'm the only one here. If I'm the only one here, oh, I'm just lost. Alright. This is parking. The first thing I'm seeing here is these trees. They're so huge. Damn. Alright, let's go inside. I have no idea where I'm going, but I hope they do have coffee and somewhere to sit because I want to do some work. Hello, Betty. Okay, there's a Christmas lunch buffet. All right, I'm here at the garden of sculpture garden or something. And I wasn't planning on walking, but it looks like I have to do a mini hike. Um, it takes around an hour just to walk the whole park. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bridges. 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 We are entering the chamber of horror, the house of horror. This is not scary. Yeah, walking back now. And we are back. Oh, I wasn't expecting to walk so much. I think I walked for an hour. It's a lovely, lovely place. Yeah, I should definitely check it out. And for only 50 rands, I mean, yeah, that's nothing. So you should definitely check this place out. That's 50 rands for adults and 25 rands for kids. And you can easily spend 2 hours here. There's so much to see. Alright, so that's it for my Friday. We're heading home now. Yep. She seems so familiar. Good morning. It is Saturday. A very chill Saturday. And warm Saturday. I think the maximum today is around 28. It's a beautiful day. Just running a bit of errands. I need to pick up my laundry before they close. And I also want to get myself something. Yesterday I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned this, but there's a drone that I've been eyeing at DJI Neo 2. So I want to check that out. There's a drone place at the mall. I think it's called Drone Africa. Drone Guys. I don't know. I can't remember. So I want to check that out. Also buy something to eat. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right, we're here at the mall. Let's go check out the drone. I got it. I got it. I got it. It is drone gear. They are authorized reseller for DJI. Time to unwrap. Ah, look at that. Ooh, DJI Neo 2. The quality. Even the box. Come here, baby. Come here. Whoopsie. Ah, let's see it. Oh my god. You know when they say boys will be boys? This is a very expensive toy. There it is. The DJI Neo 2. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. What does this do? Does it open? Oh man. So it comes with 2 propellers, a backup, just in case you break something, charging cable, and 1 battery here. So there's a Fly More combo that comes with 2 extra batteries and a battery case. Yeah. What is this? Oh, this is a screwdriver. Yeah, and a manual. Can't believe they still print these out. Usually they just give you a link these days and some stickers. Not sure where I'm gonna put these. All right. Yeah, it's raining outside now. I wanted to try it out. So as soon as the rain stops, I'll go outside and check it out. Voilà. Faites jamais confiance à Arsène Lupin. So there's this park nearby here. I just want to go there and play with the drone. You know, get the feel of it, get used to it. I have a hike tomorrow that I want to do, and I want to use it. So yeah, let me just go. I'm being such a boy right now. Oh man. There's this thing that keeps making a noise here. Can you see this? Like when I'm driving, it keeps like doo 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 doo. So I think I'm just gonna, I don't know how do you do this. Tie it around there. Yeah, that should keep you quiet. All right, let's go play.
4 meters. Droning. 3, 2, 1. Circle. 3.
Yes, circle me, babe.
1.
Come back. Nice. Nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. That was so much fun. Oh man, that was so much fun. Yeah, I can't wait to use it tomorrow. Let's go get some coffee. Before we get coffee, just check out the footage that I took. It's pretty wild. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's go. So yeah, you see that seat belt? Look at that, it's not making any noise now. Yep, fixed it. Oh my god, this is so good. If this was a 10, Starbucks is a 7 or a 6. This is so much better. This is so good. Oh my god. Oh, so good. Look at this. My hands are red. So painful. I think I understand why they wear gloves. Oh. So it looks like there's a tournament going on there. Guys are really good, really good. I've played paddle before, but not at this level. Yeah, going now. Home time. Good morning. The time now is 6:20. I'm going to a Kranskloof Nature Reserve for the waterfall hike. I think it's one of their shortest hikes. It's only about an hour, so I'm just gonna do that quickly. Yeah, stick around. And we are here. Yeah, let's go do this. It's 6:30 now. Should be back by 7:30, 7:45, I think. Yeah. I have a checkout today at 10, so I need to make sure I'm ready for that. All right, I'm done paying. The 70 rand for one adult. And I'm doing the purple. So the waterfall is the purple. They have two waterfalls, but the one I wanted to do is the purple color. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so this is the PT Waterfalls trail. There are so many waterfalls around here, I get confused sometimes. Is that a bridge? Bridges! Yep, it is. It's a bridge. Okay, it's not our trail. Oh man. So that bridge goes to another trail. Trail closed. Okay, this is not for us. I can still go up there. Yeah. So this is me on the bridge. This one is not easy. Not even 5 minutes in. I'm already breathing like this. Whew. Oh my god. I believe this is the top. It's flat now. So I'm done with the incline. That was steep. Alright. Got a preacher. And this group is here. I see what's happening now. Now we're going down, which means we're going to the bottom of the waterfall. Oh, this is so cool. Oh man, this is beautiful. I think I'm just gonna sit here. But then if I sit on these rocks, then I'm not looking at the rocks. uh, it is so cool. Look at that. Oh my god, what is this? Woo! Black candle and a red one. I some voodoo stuff was happening here. Oh man, I don't know. Black and red, just those are not good colors. You know, they're not colors of luck or good things. You know. Oh man, I think someone took someone's man, and the black one is to get your man back. Ah. Oh, there's also a white one here and a banana. Okay, this and money. So this looks like an offering. Okay, this makes sense. You know, like white candles, money, some food. That looks like an offering. But red. Ay. No ways, bro. Oh. All right, we're done here. Goodbye, waterfall. Bye. I'm seeing cars, meaning we are back. This might be the shortest trail they have here at Kranskloof. It's the Mpiti Waterfall Purple Trail. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good, especially for what you see. The waterfall and those rocks are really, really worth the climb up. Because it is a climb. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm looking at the map here, and this is the purple trail. This is the waterfall here, and then you come back. So it could very well be the shortest. It says here 1.5 Ks and 0.4. So I think it's 2K in total. Yeah, which feels just about right. Yeah. All right, that was easy. Let me check the time. So it's 7:55. I think I started at 6:30. Was it 6:30? Yeah, I think it was 6:30. So there was an hour and 20 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, or 25 minutes, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, going home now. So yeah, I'm checking out today, and since it's almost 8, I have 2 hours to take a shower, and just pack and bounce. And I managed to take some footage with this baby. Can't wait to check it out. Can't wait. All right, let's go. So I'm done checking out. I just gave the lady the keys. It's exactly 10, which is the checkout time. So I just want to get coffee from the orchards. Apparently there's something happening there today, live music. So get coffee, chill a bit, then head home. Yeah.
Good. That's it.
All right, guys. Done eating. Also had coffee, so I'm a happy man. I'm happy. I'm full. Yeah. So now I'm leaving Waterfall. I'm going to Durban North. That's where I'll be staying for the next week. So yeah, I think I'll also create a video just exploring the area. So check that out soon. And yeah, this is the end of part 2 for the Waterfall series. There's part 1 also. Yeah, if you really like this content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and just share it, you know. Yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye.